Hey there, wonderful couples. Let's talk about something close to our hearts today, keeping our marriages strong and loving. We all know how busy life can get, but those small daily habits can make a world of difference. So, let's dive in. First up, start your day with gratitude. Before you even get out of bed, take a moment to appreciate your partner. This could be as simple as thinking about something they did for you or a quality you love about them. Trust me, beginning your day with gratitude sets a positive tone for everything else. Next, make time for a daily check-in. Just a few minutes to connect, no distractions. Ask about each other's day, share your thoughts, and really listen. It's like watering a plant. Consistent care keeps it flourishing. Now let's talk about sharing responsibilities. In our culture, roles can sometimes be pretty traditional, but balancing chores and responsibilities can reduce stress and foster teamwork. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or taking care of the kids, working together strengthens your bond. Another fantastic habit is showing affection. A hug, a kiss, or even holding hands can go a long way. Physical touch releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which brings you closer and keeps the spark alive. Don't forget to laugh together. Life can be serious, but finding humor in the little things can lighten up your day. Watch a funny movie, share a joke, or just laugh at each other's quirks. Laughter is indeed the best medicine for a happy marriage. Lastly, never stop dating. Remember the excitement of your early days? Keep that spirit alive by scheduling regular date nights. It doesn't have to be fancy. A simple walk, a dinner, or even a cup of chai on the balcony can be special. There you have it. Simple daily habits that can transform your marriage into a more loving and happy partnership. Start today and watch the magic unfold. Stay blessed and keep the love alive.